Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 6th of July. I'm James Spann. Active storms across Alabama. The weekend looking unsettled and some tropical action. A lot of things going on today. So let's discuss. As we often do, we'll start with the upper air look. Goodness gracious. How about a 6,005 meter upper high? That's the height at 500 millibars, a Rocky Mountain high sitting over Colorado and Utah. Blazing heat back in the southwest United States, but there's a trough, a cool trough over eastern Canada, and that's helping to push a cold front down this way. And accordingly, as expected, we have an increase in the number of showers and storms across the northern third of the state. That's the visible satellite view. You can see the convection developing on outflow from morning storms in Tennessee. That was the radar at 244. Big storms mainly north of Interstate 20, gradually working their way down to the south and west. They're producing strong gusty winds, heavy rain, a lot of lightning, some small hail. Had a couple of downed tree reports with these things, but they're just under traditional severe limits as of 3 o'clock when I'm doing this update. There's the watch warning map. We've got excessive heat warnings for parts of the southwest United States, including San Diego and Los Angeles, Las Vegas, and Phoenix. They're into the upper high baking out there, but the east is fairly quiet. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Of course, we're in the green. We'll have thunder, but organized severe weather not expected. This is tomorrow, and this is Sunday. Pretty much the same deal. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Pretty good rains here across the southern states. And Alabama, average amounts between 1.5 and 2.5 inches. And this is valid through Friday morning of next week. And, of course, as we always say this time of the year, your number might vary. Let's go to the tropics. A lot of things happening here. We've got Beryl and what could be Tropical Storm Chris forming. First off, we'll take a look at Beryl. This thing is just tiny, a very small, compact hurricane. I mean, you can barely pick it out here in the satellite imagery in the Atlantic between Africa and the Lesser Antilles. Top winds have increased to 80 miles an hour based on satellite estimates. And the Hurricane Center's changed their outlook here a pretty good bit. The initial thought this would just dissipate before reaching the Lesser Antilles because of wind shear and dry air. But this thing is so small, it might survive, and just because of that possibility, they now carry this as a tropical storm all the way to Hispaniola. Now, understand this could poop out at any time, late this weekend or early next week. I'd still say it's very unlikely it reaches the United States, but for now, that's your updated track. Now, let's look at Invest 96L. This could become Tropical Storm Chris. Pretty interesting look there. A lot of things going on here. We've got an upper low spinning away just to the north of Jacksonville, Florida. That's drifting inland. That's not the system we're talking about. The disturbance is the one that's located southeast of the Outer Banks. And some slow development possible. And this thing is going nowhere. The steering currents just don't exist. This is the tracking or the model tracks for 96L. And most of the models just leave it off the Carolina coast for 5 days and then ultimately kick it out to the northeast. The intensity guidance, and again, this might become Tropical Storm Chris this weekend. But odds are high this stays offshore and no direct impact on Alabama. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. Upper high still sitting over Denver and Salt Lake, not quite as intense. Trough over the northeastern states, and a surface boundary stalls out near the Alabama-Tennessee state line. And it should be a day with the sky cloudy at times, scattered to numerous showers and storms, a little unsettled. And the same thing Sunday. The boundary goes nowhere. It's not going to rain all day, but from time to time we'll have a passing shower or storm. And I think highs for the weekend should be in the 80s because of the limited amount of sunshine we see. And we note that tropical system lurking just off the coast of North Carolina. This is Monday. The tropical system goes nowhere, not affecting us. And again, the front dissipates, and we're still in a fairly moist air mass, so a number of showers and storms around. This is Tuesday. Tropical system sitting still. Again, for us, same thing, scattered storms. Wednesday, the tropical system, and again, this could be Tropical Storm Chris, begins to lift northeast. And for us, no change, scattered showers and storms, a mix of sun and clouds. Thursday, tropical system lifting out, no change here. And a week from today, Friday the 13th, We're on the periphery of a 594 upper high. You know, the model had been building the high right on top of us, and now it keeps us on the eastern flank, and that means we'll have scattered showers and storms about. Highs next week should be around 90 on most days, if this output verifies. We'll go out 10 days. This is Monday the 16th. Nice cool trough over Canada. And for us, heights about where they should be and no change. Partly sunny, scattered showers and storms. Numbers off the GFS, probably a little too hot. I think we're going to be in the 80s tomorrow, Sunday, and maybe even Monday. And beyond that, I think highs closer to 90 for the rest of next week. Not quite those mid-90s you're seeing there. Still hot and humid. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have these updates tomorrow and Sunday. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.